For those of you that are new to the channel, I decided to make things a little bit easier and comprise a list of terms and acronyms that you might need to be familiar with as you move forward and progress in your journey with carpet cleaning and floor care. This acronym stands for low moisture. The acronym WSSE or WC stands for water soluble soil extraction. The next acronym is SET, Soil Extraction Transfer Technology. VLM stands for very low moisture and vapor low moisture. HWE stands for hot water extraction. DICE stands for dry and soluble soil extraction, also known as vacuuming. PET is pad extraction technology. ULM is ultra low moisture. PE, pad extraction. OP, oscillating pad. TM stands for truck mount. CRI stands for Carpet and Rug Institute. IICRC stands for Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Certificate. Rotoset is a rotary 175 swing machine or a 360 extractor used in the low moisture process. Orboset is an orbital pad extraction machine used in the low moisture process. T&G is tile and grout. LVP is luxury vinyl plank. EPA is the Environmental Protection Agency. CRB, counter rotating brush. I believe this is a good starting point, learning these terms and acronyms. The list will continue to grow as technology advances, new developments are made in the cleaning industry. And when that happens, you'll hear it first on this channel. Thank you for watching and take care.